Hey, what's up guys? It's Theo from Fino Concepts, and this is the Boya BY-MM1 shotgun microphone. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. So I've been wanting this microphone for a while now. The first time I ordered it from AliExpress was on the 24th of January 2020 and it never came. So I had to go through the whole dispute thing and I got refunded. So stubborn as I am, I ordered it again from the same buyer on the 30th of March, and 2 months later it has arrived. So right now I have two of these. I actually bought this one from Shigako Pe. I think I got the name right. Shika from Accra. So if you are here in Ghana, I think you should consider getting it from them because it's going to be a lot easier. It just takes 1 day of delivery and you are going to get your product. So before we cut open the box, I have to go through the receipt real quick. It appears they ship via IAS Ghana Limited or FedEx, so I guess that explains why it's incredibly fast. So opening up the box, we've got the user manual, which you should definitely read, the microphone itself with a dead cat windshield already installed, the shockproof, a TRS to TRS cable, and the TRS to TRRS cable. I'll explain what these are later on in this video. And they even throw in a nice carrying pouch for the microphone. Neat. Now let's talk about the design. I must say, when I saw it on the internet, I thought it was all plastic, judging by the price. But I was wrong. It's all metal and it's a bit heavier than I expected. Honestly, it's built very well. Taking a look at the shockproof, it's all plastic, which I don't mind. Now what it does is it reduces the amount of vibration sounds you get when you're moving around with the microphone. My personal favorite colors are red and black. Yeah, I know, it's weird. So seeing this color choice is very satisfying for me. So the top is where you place the microphone and the bottom has a horseshoe mount for the camera. Once you put it on, you can go ahead and tighten it in place. The same bottom has a 1/4 inch hole which opens a whole lot of ideas for mounting the microphone. Whether on top of your camera, your phone, your tripod, a monopod, or even a light stand. Now the two cables which comes with it in the box are the TRS to TRRS cables for your phones, PC and other devices, and the TRS to TRS cable for the camera. There are only 3 ways I'm able to tell the difference. The one for the camera has a coiled cable at the center and the other one does not. The second thing is that when you take a closer look at the pin, you notice that there are 2 black stripes for the cable for the camera and 3 for the other. Oh yeah, and the third thing is this tag on the cable. So for the specs, it has a super cardiac radio with 270-degree audio pickup. Now what this means is that if you take a look at this diagram right here, the mic can pick up sound anywhere around this red area. And I noticed that if you have the microphone turned the opposite way whilst you are speaking to it, it sounds more bass heavier, which I like, but you have to make sure that the other hand of the microphone is not receiving any form of audio, or else it's going to affect yours. Now that all those are out of the way, let's run a few tests. The first test is going to be the voice test. So I'm sitting about 3 feet away from the camera. I honestly had to check. And this is how the audio sounds like. Alright, so this is how the audio sounds like 3 feet away from me, and it is plugged directly into the camera. I have the windshield on so you can pretty much tell the difference when I take it off. Alright, so this is how the audio sounds like right now. I have taken the windshield off. I'm still sitting 3 feet away from the camera and the microphone is plugged directly also into the camera. So for the second test, I have the microphone plugged directly into my cell phone right here and I'm speaking to it directly. You can see that it's quite close to my mouth. So again, this is how it sounds like. Again, this audio is plugged into my phone and this is how it sounds like without the dead cat windshield on. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Alright, so for test number 3, what I'm going to do is shake the microphone and see if the shockproof is actually working. If you can pick up any sound you let me know in the comments below. And the last test I'm going to do today is the outdoor test. So let's go outside and see if this thing is able to record outside. Alright, so this is the audio quality directly into the camera and the windshield is also on, so you can tell me if it sounds any better. I'm going to take it off in just a second. Alright, so for this test, I don't have the windshield filter here. You can see I have it in my hand. So let me know if it sounds better this way, and if you can hear any form of wind also in the video. Sorry it looks this way. I've not tried vlogging. I'm supposed to be looking at the camera, but I'm staring at the microphone. Someone is heavily shouting at my back there, but either way, I hope I don't pick up the sound from him too. For those of you interested in recording with your cell phones, this is how it sounds like when you connect it to your cell phone, and I have the pop filter on it. I still have the microphone connected to my phone. This time around, the dead cat filter is off it, so let me know if it sounds any better. So here are the couple of things I like about this microphone. The first thing is that it's plug and play, so you don't need any external batteries to run the device. You just connect the cable to your camera, your laptop, or your cell phone, and it's just going to draw power from whatever device it's connected to. The second thing is that it comes with a TRS to TRRS cable, the one that you are able to connect to your cell phone and your laptop. Other brands will require that you purchase this separately, so Boya adding this in the box is super awesome. The third thing is the audio quality. I haven't tested out other brands, so I can't say much about other brands, but what I have here, I'm very satisfied with it. In fact, the audio you are hearing in this entire video is recorded using this microphone. So because I have two now, I can connect one to the camera and connect one to my cell phone and be able to monitor which audio sounds best for me. And the last thing I like about this is the price. It actually cost me 120 cedis with the microphone and no other accessories, but if you have certain bundles coming in, you can also get it for like 150 and 200 depending on the bundle in which you choose. But again, if you are in Ghana and you want to buy it from Shigakope, I think it costs 180 cedis, and you might pay for delivery also, but it saves you the time. You don't have to wait 2 months like I did for the second one which came. So there's one thing I don't like about this. I think it's not as bass heavy as I wanted it to be. Like I said, if you record from the back, it sounds very bass heavy. I wish that was how it was for the entire microphone, but you don't get that. Anyway, it's still just great as it is, and I wish they could have thrown in a longer cable so that I can record directly to the camera and I don't have to sync up the audio using the camera and using the phone, all of that. But yeah, that's what I get. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and our other channels, which I have them linked below. And as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theo from Fino Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Oh, I've not combed my hair. Their shipping is quite... Their shipping... So what I've been using for the past 3 weeks is the one I got from Shigakope. From Shigakope. Yeah. So the one I've been using in Ghana here, so the one I've been using is the one I got from. Their shipping is quite fast also. And what it does is it reduces the amount of vibration. So for the specs we have now that those are all the difference between so here are the couple of things I like about this microphone, which is the one you are able to connect. The second thing is that it comes with a TRS to TRL.